So I'm going to show you whilst applying it. Guys, I did this last time and my skin felt really good. Like, welcome to the channel. This is Fishy. Thank you for joining us today. So in today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very inexpensive and very effective facial scrub. Okay, so we're going to use two ingredients, that is Mealie and lemon. Okay, one thing you have to know is that if you do not have the lemon, you could always use water. Okay, lemon is more effective because it helps to lighten the dark spots and all. So lemon will have more benefits, but you can always just use water. Okay, so as you have seen in the past videos on the Selfcare Sundays, well, I've shown you how to make the body scrub, but I am realizing that I haven't made the facial scrub yet, the face scrub. Actually, I've made even the lip scrub with you guys, but I've not made the face scrub yet because the reason is just so embarrassing. Well, I am just starting to take care of my face right now. You know, I encouraged you to not use the body scrub on the face. If you haven't watched the body scrub yet, I'm going to put it on the screen. I'll put it right here so that you can just see the video. You watch the video after this one. I'm going to put the link in the description box down below as well so that you can see how to make the body scrub. So because of the ingredients that are in the body scrub, I just thought it may not be good for my face. Like, it may irritate my skin on the face because my face, the skin is so sensitive. So I've been looking for the one that would actually, I've been hunting for the one that could work on my face, and I just thought this is just these are natural ingredients after all, and it's just 2 ingredient scrub. So let me show you how to make it, and I'm going to show you as I apply it on my face as well. Okay, so let me just wash my face and grab my bonnet and let's get to work. Hey, so I'm back. Okay, come on, don't act too surprised. It's not like I look too different without makeup, right? Okay, I wasn't putting on too much makeup, so you shouldn't get that surprised. Okay, so this is me without the makeup, and as you can see the dark spots like everywhere on my face. So it's like, why am I not taking care of my face? Like, when will I start? Oh, I didn't have the answer, so I just thought, let me just hunt for something that is actually gentle on the face and that can work. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how I mix the ingredients, and I'm going to show you as I apply it on my face. Let's go. Oh, so there we are. You're going to need a bowl, and you're going to need a lemon, see, and you're going to need some Mealie. So I'm going to put in like 1 tablespoon of Mealie. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of Mealie, and I'm going to cut the lemon. So the lemon is supposed to be fresh, but mine is not exactly on the fresh side, but it will still work. I don't know what my lemon would say if someone were to say, tell me a little bit about yourself. Probably to say, not bad, but not too good. Not too good, but not too bad. So I'm going to juice this, and I'll be right back. Okay, I feel like just squeezing half of it is just enough, because you basically just need a little bit of liquid that is going to help you make a paste out of this, and it is to have like the consistency that you want. So there we go. Was it enough? No, it was not enough. Let me squeeze a little bit more from the other half. And let's see how it goes. Yeah, we are getting there. Do you see that? Okay, we are almost there. Okay, just a little bit more. So you see, there's no formula really. You don't need a formula, okay? Okay, if you really need the formula, then just put 1 lemon and 1 tablespoon of Mealie, okay? 1 lemon and 1 tablespoon of Mealie. So that's just 1:1, right? Right. We are here. It's good now. Okay, let's go. So I'm back with the solution, and I don't know if I should call it a solution. Alright, not bad. Okay, let me put a mirror right here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we are going to apply it on the face like so. Guys, I did this last time and my skin felt really good. Like, it was really appreciating me for doing it. So I was like, let me do it on camera. It might help somebody. It may or may not help somebody. I don't know. So let me just quickly rub it in. But the trick is, you don't need to be too harsh, because the Mealie, the grains, you know what I mean? It has got some grains, so the last thing you want is to damage your skin, especially on the face. So sorry, I'm looking this way because that's where the mirror is. But I'm sure you can see what I'm doing, and I'm doing my best to avoid the eye area because you just don't want to do that, huh? Don't put it on the eyes. It looks so weird. Oh my gosh, this is not happening. This is crazy. I mean, seriously? Is this some kind of a scam or something? So as I was saying, you don't need to scrub it like harshly. You just need to do it as gentle as you can, because you don't want to damage your skin. Or do you? You know you don't want that. I don't want you to damage your skin. I don't want you to come here and say, Pesci, you've damaged my skin. I followed you and my skin is not damaged. I don't want that, okay? So I'm going to be applying on the neck as well. Just a little bit on the neck, because I've been neglecting this part like for my whole life. You know what I mean? So I'm just starting this skincare face routine thingy, which was just not my thing. But I realized that the face is a bit behind, you know, when it comes to the glow. Alright, so go. That one went there by mistake. I didn't put it there. Trust me, I did not. Okay, so this is it, and I'm going to wait in it for the next 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll be right back. When it dries, you can wash it off and you moisturize your skin, right? Easy peasy. Hey, I'm still here, don't go anywhere. So this is how it looks when it's dry. I mean, the grains will start falling off like so, and you know that it's done. So I'm going to wash my face and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Guys, I don't know if it's just me or my skin actually feels good. Like, the skin feels so soft and smooth and bouncy, and I don't know the words that describe the skin yet, but let's just say it feels so good after the scrub. Alright, so I just feel like it's just so good. I don't know what you think. Okay, you're going to tell me the results in the comments after you are done with yours as well. I'm going to use my Dove Pampering Body Lotion. That's what I use on my face, really. I don't normally do those long routines because, okay, I'm still learning this thing, okay? So I know, guys, you're going to learn with me and you're going to be commenting to see if it actually works. So I waited for 10 minutes and trust me, these were the longest 10 minutes of my life. Oh no. The longest is when I'm exercising. Use this. This is easy. Okay, so let me see you in my next video. What do you think of the skin afterwards? Do you think it's kind of smooth and nice? I don't know, but just let me know what you think, okay? And if you try it out, you just let me know in the comments how it goes, okay? Please don't forget to let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.